Every child dreams of being a hero, flying through the sky, saving the day, and using their imagination to become something extraordinary. Introducing the KUBUSFLY Superhero Capes for Kids, an exciting 8-pack dress-up set designed to turn everyday play into heroic adventures. Inside this amazing set, you'll find 8 colorful superhero capes and matching masks, perfect for boys, girls, toddlers, and kids of all ages. These capes are more than costumes. They inspire creativity, confidence, and imagination. Whether it's a birthday party, cosplay event, or just a fun afternoon at home, every child becomes their own superhero. Perfect for Halloween, birthday parties, cosplay events, Christmas gifts, or any special moment that deserves a little magic. Made with high-quality, smooth satin fabrics and an easy on and off Velcro design, they're as comfortable as they are fun. KUBUSFLY Superhero Capes. Unleash the hero within. Let their adventure begin.